This walkthrough will demonstrate how to use the Camtasia 2026 trial version to create a script using the built-in Audiate function, and then take that script and use it in Microsoft Word and Windows 11 Read Aloud to create an AI voice to be used for voiceover substitution in the original Camtasia project. I'll point out that there are, I think, 5 clips in this project. It's a short project, but I make it in multiple clips because doing so allows me to make a clip for a logical section of the narration and keep that separate from the rest. That way, when you do the voiceover substitution, the timing of the voiceover can be better matched to the original video action after the video action is modified using clip speed adjustments. In this walkthrough, we're going to demonstrate doing a voiceover clip for the first section here. The rest of them would be accomplished using the same technique. Narrated clip selected. Go over here to audio, and what I'll do is edit in Audiate. And I'll do import. Again, we're using the Camtasia 2026 trial version. And I quickly get a transcript of what that narration was. I can read through or listen through this as appropriate, make any corrections. After making any corrections, it's a simple Control-A to copy all the text, Control-C, puts it on my clipboard. Then back in the instance of Microsoft Word, paste what I just copied. Here again, I can read through this. It looks okay to me for purposes of this demonstration. And when I'm finished, I'll put the cursor back at the top. I got to go to Recorder. And Recorder is currently running, but pretend it's not. And what I would do is I would reconfigure Recorder just to capture system audio only. I wouldn't need any screen for this. And then when it's done, I would start a Recorder session running. So let's pretend I did start a capture. Then I would push this button and it would have Windows Read Aloud, because this is the Read Aloud app. I've opened it already. It would run Read Aloud across here. So let's pretend we're going to do that now. So I've started a new Recorder capture, system audio, and then I'll click this.
Nutrition review for December the 1st, 2025. Breakfast. We had scrambled eggs with ham and cheese. Medium amount of fat in the meal. We had 552 calories. 43% of the calories came from fats. 28 grams of protein.
All right, when the capture's done, I would stop Recorder. Back in the project, I would import the audio only clip that I just captured, and I'll do that by going Control-I. And I think I called that AA in this case, open. There it is. And then I would select the Audiate clip here that's on the thing, and I would go right click, ripple replace. And then I would make sure that magnetic track is turned on for both of these guys. Then I would pull this back until it's got a reasonable start point. And now I would also have to make sure that there's clip speed on this clip. And I'll show you why, because we'll go X, add. Of course, I would add them all to the rest at the same time, but we'll do clip speed there, and I'll pull this up. I'm going to pull this back until this particular clip has the same duration of the modified audio, voiceover. Having done that, I can now play through this and listen to it. And also, I can see how the synchronization between the audio and video work. Let's see.
Nutrition review for December the 1st, 2025. Breakfast. We had scrambled eggs with ham and cheese. Medium amount of fat in the meal. We had 552 calories. 43% of the calories came from fats. 28 grams of protein.
Okay, that sounds pretty good. Now, again, what I'll emphasize is that I took the original video and using clip speed, I modified its duration to match the new audio. The audio being voiceover using an AI voice, this being my original narration, which tends to be a lot slower in cadence. I would do that for the rest of these clips all one at a time. And because I've segmented the project like this with logical narration blocks, overall the synchronization between new audio and old video can be made extremely accurately.